Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef with broccoli. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients, including about 1.5 pounds of flank steak and 2 large heads of broccoli. Next, slice the beef thinly against the grain, which ensures maximum tenderness in every bite. Then, we'll prepare a simple marinade to infuse the beef with incredible flavor, letting it rest for at least 30 minutes. This initial preparation is key to a fantastic dish. Now, let's focus on the incredible flavors that will make this dish shine. For the beef marinade, combine about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Whisk these together thoroughly. Then, prepare your main sauce by mixing about 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and a teaspoon of fresh ginger. Don't forget to create a cornstarch slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water for thickening later. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat. Quickly sear the marinated beef in batches for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until beautifully browned. Remove the beef and set it aside. Next, blanch or steam your broccoli florets for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are vibrant green and crisp tender. This ensures perfect texture in every bite. Almost there, return the perfectly cooked beef to the wok with the vibrant, crisp tender broccoli. Pour in your flavorful sauce, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Now, for the magic. Slowly stir in the cornstarch slurry, allowing the sauce to thicken to a beautiful, glossy consistency. Toss everything together gently to ensure every piece is coated. Serve your homemade beef with broccoli immediately over fluffy, steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.